Tutopia. Live online tutoring. Algebra. Part 1. Contents. Under the unit Algebra Part 1, we will discuss the following topics. 1.1. Algebraic expressions and manipulation. 1.2. Expansion. 1.3. Factorization. 1.4. Solving linear equations. 1.5. Solving simultaneous equations. 1.6. Solving quadratic equations. 1.3. Factorization. Factorization is the opposite of expansion, where we take the common factor out instead. Example. Tip: we may have to divide the terms into pairs before factorizing. For factorization of quadratic equations. Step 1. Which two numbers multiply to give 24 and add to give 11? Step 2. Put the numbers in brackets accordingly. For factorization of quadratic equations, we will use the method below. Step 1. Find two numbers which multiply to give C and add up to give B. Step 2. Put the two numbers in brackets accordingly. Example. For factorization of quadratic equations, with coefficient of the quadratic term, x2, that is not 1, we will use the method below. Step 1. Find two numbers which multiply to give bxc, and add up to give b. Step 2. Split the x term into two terms, with the two numbers obtained from step 1 being the coefficient. Step 3. Factorize the equation accordingly by sorting into pairs. Example. For factorization of quadratic equations, with only one unknown quadratic term, x2, and a constant that is a square number, we will use the method below. Example. Tip: make the coefficient of the quadratic term 1 first. Algebra, Part 1 continues with Lesson 1.4, Solving Linear Equations. Please click Next to continue the lesson. Thank you for watching.